Hey crafters, it's Julie Creek from Creek Bank Creations. I'm excited to be with Erin today, and we're talking about the gift card pop-up. So I'm going to show you how this die works and talk about some of the features of this fun die. This die is a 3-die set. There's 3 pieces in the package. So when you open it up, you're going to find these 3 pieces that I have on the deck here. What you want to do is start with the piece that I have sitting in the middle, which is actually notched. So we're going to take that and we're going to lay it on our card front. And I'm using a regular A2 card with a fold in it today, but you can use any size card. You want to center it. And ladies, when you're looking here right now, you'll see I have the score. These are score marks and these are cut marks. And we want to turn that over, cut side down, just like that. And we want to put that on the deck and cut with that piece centered top to bottom, and the 2 notches are sitting on the fold. That's about the most important part. We're going to die cut that. And we'll try to get it straight. We're kind of winging it here. Normally if I cut with a die like this and I'm making a card, I'm going to put that in place with some stencil tape or some washi tape, just because we don't want it walking all over the place. Okay, there we go. Now what we've got are 2 score marks in the middle and 3 cut marks. So when you get your card out of the die cut machine, I want you to fold it, put your fold in your card. And then those 2 cut marks are going to be on the right side of the card. Now I like to take a pencil or a pen and just put some little dashes on the scores right there. Then we're going to take the other 2 dies that we have in our set. We're going to die cut those, and I always die cut these the same color as the base card. We're going to go for this piece here that has 2 notches on the side, and we're going to fold. You're going to find fold marks on that, and we're going to fold on the fold marks. And ladies and gentlemen, when you fold this, you want to make sure it's square. And what you did was just make a little house. Okay? Then we're going to take, I'm going to turn it the other way because I already put tape on this, so I want you guys to see the tape. We're going to put tape right here on the edge, or if you have a favorite liquid adhesive, you can use that. But I've got tape on both ends that are notched. And we're going to set that. Here's that line that we marked earlier, that fold. I want you to lay that right next to the fold, just like that. We're going to pull the liner off of our tape. And you want to center that top to bottom and do, be a little bit more methodical than I'm doing here for you today. Push that down, and now we're going to take that, we're going to remove this piece of tape, and we're going to build the house. So those 2 pieces are going to meet in the middle, just like that. Make him square. Train your house. Okay? Somebody doesn't know how to fold. Okay, there we go. Now, this is the other piece that we cut, and on the end there is a little fold mark. We're going to fold on that fold. Hopefully I'll fold better than I did last time. Take that tape off, and we're going to set that little fold mark right on the edge of the house, right on the roof, and it's hanging off. Now we're going to thread down through the first, up, through the second, down. Now we're going to train the house to collapse, and we're going to shut the card, and we're going to pull that this way. Now we need to add a little reinforcement to our card, so we're going to take a scrap paper. You can just take any kind of scrap, add a piece of adhesive to it. We want to stabilize that little area where that pole's coming up through the top. We're going to pull that off. We're going to set that little piece of scrap right inside that cut mark, right there. Then we're going to take, and I'm going to add a piece of tape right on the tab, right there. Okay, now we're going to take it and adhere that to the front of the card. And that makes the pop-up mechanism for the card. There we got
great.
it. Okay, now if we want to add a sentiment, we can add a sentiment or a gift card, and we would simply glue dot that in, and then when we open, it's gonna pop right up for us.
That's
Okay.
great.
That is the gift card pop-up. Okay. Do it again.
I love it.
Who doesn't want to get a gift card like this with Walmart on the inside? So ladies, thanks for joining us today. That's the gift card pop-up from Creek Bank Creations.